How can blast furnace gas be burned more fully? Hello, everyone. Let's take you to know our blast furnace gas burner today. Blast furnace gas is the combustible gas produced by the smelting process of blast furnace. Its calorific value is extremely low and it is difficult to ignite. The blast furnace gas burner produced by our company can be used for blast furnace gas with any pressure and any calorific value. This series of burners adopts multi-head internal mixing technology, which makes the combustion more full and stable. The burner can realize automatic ignition, flameout protection, automatic fire control and other functions. Siemens PLC control system follows the standard communication protocol and can communicate with other systems of the user. The whole combustion system is characterized by easy adjustment, no need for firewood heat storage during ignition, and easy operation. If you also need blast furnace gas burner, please feel free to contact us. Tangshan Jinsha, an expert enterprise of non-standard burners, is trustworthy.